Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that can really make or break your team's workflow. How to use Smartsheet notifications at scale, specifically how to avoid those notification floods that most users just accept, and instead set up streamlined, meaningful alerts that actually help your team stay informed without getting overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tailor Smartsheet notifications for efficiency and clarity, even if you've got lots of collaborators and rapidly moving projects. Let's jump right in. First up, a super common pitfall, deciding between sheet-wide and row-specific alerts. Here, what usually happens, someone sets up a basic alert that triggers for every single change on the sheet. In theory, it keeps everyone updated, but in practice, well, everyone's inbox gets flooded. It's like announcing every single phone call in your office to the whole building. Instead, what you want to do is focus your notifications with row-based conditions. For example, choose when assigned to changes instead of any changes. That way, only the person directly involved with that specific row is notified, and you're not pinging people about tasks that don't affect them. Think of it like only notifying someone when their package arrives, not everyone else in the neighborhood. Next, let's talk about how those notifications actually arrive. By default, Smartsheet lumps together multiple alerts into digest emails every 5 to 10 minutes. It's helpful, but here's what most people miss. You can actually customize the notification frequency on a per-user basis, immediate, hourly, daily, you name it. If you're working with lots of stakeholders, encourage your team to opt for daily summaries, especially if their jobs aren't super time-sensitive. This reduces the dreaded email overload and keeps important updates contained to a neat package. It's like choosing between getting a text for every single sale at your favorite store versus just getting one daily roundup. Now, this next point is huge for teams that are scaling up. Adding conditional logic to notifications. It's tempting to make a simple rule that says any field changes notify, but at scale, this just drowns people in noise. Instead, combine notification triggers with specific conditions. Say only notify if status equals blocked, or only alert when the due date is today or earlier. This refines your system so alerts go out only when something actually needs attention. Imagine you're at a train station and the loudspeaker only announces delays for your train, not for every train. That's the clarity you want in your workflow. Another seriously overlooked feature is the ability to notify people who aren't even directly working in the sheet, as long as they have access. That means project managers, stakeholders in different departments, or even outside vendors can get the alerts they need without bombarding everyone else. So if your PMO needs to stay in the loop, set up notifications just for them without looping in the whole team. Let's not forget, notifications aren't limited to email. In fact, Smartsheet supports multiple channels. You can use in-app notifications, that little bell icon, push notifications to your phone, or integrations with Slack or Microsoft Teams. If you're dealing with something urgent, send a real-time alert through Slack. Otherwise, stick those minor updates in a daily email digest. It's all about matching the channel to the urgency, just like you'd text someone about an emergency, but email them a non-urgent update. A quick heads-up, permission levels really matter here. Notifications only reach people who actually have the right access to the sheet. If you're working at scale, make sure to regularly audit who has what permissions, so you're not accidentally leaving key folks in the dark, or worse, sharing sensitive updates with the wrong people. Now for a real power move, don't just stick with basic alert rules. Dive into Smartsheet's Automation Center. Here you can mix alerts with update requests and approval requests. This not only keeps people in the loop, but can replace those endless back and forth "did you see this? Can you approve that?" emails. It's really efficient and makes the whole process feel seamless. Lastly, one thing that often gets overlooked is archiving old notification rules. Over time, your sheets might gather duplicate or conflicting alerts, especially as your team's workflow evolves. Take a little time every so often to audit and clean out these outdated rules so your notifications stay sharp and relevant. That's it. Follow these tips and you'll turn Smartsheet notifications from a constant distraction into a powerful tool for clarity and teamwork. If you got value from this tutorial, hit like, drop any questions you have in the comments. I love helping out with the tricky stuff, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.